got going on today? Well, let me say, pass the peach. Okay, so what are we gonna make today? Today, we are gonna make a whiskey peaches. What they're for is they'll be great in cocktails as a garnish, or just to enjoy them like right out of the jar, just to eat the peaches. Okay, they're whiskey peaches. What we got is nice fresh peaches. We got some whiskey, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of water, and a little bit of vanilla. All right, but first things first. Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. I hope this will be very easy to make. Okay, so the very first thing, the very first thing we got to do is we got to try to make a little bit of a syrup. So I want to put in half a cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of water and 1 teaspoon. No, I don't want to put the vanilla in yet. Let me heat that up first. All right, so I'm going to start that to heat. Sorry about the noise. All right, let me give that a little bit of stir. It won't take long to melt that sugar. That's all we're basically trying to do, is just to melt it to make our syrup. So that won't take very long. And then while that's cooling down, we can cut our peaches up and get them in the jars. And cutting peaches to me is always a challenge. I don't know why. But I seen this recipe, it looks delicious to me, and hey, it is peach season, right? I hope everybody's been enjoying past the peach week. I know I sure am. Hey, if you got another peach recipe out there, please send it my way. I'd like to add it to my list. Yeah, I just love peaches. Now these are from the local orchard. They do look a lot better than what you get in the grocery store. I'm sorry, but they do. All right, it's almost done. All right, so I'm gonna let that cool down. I'll let that cool down, then I'll put the vanilla in it. But I don't want to lose the aroma of the vanilla because of being hot liquid. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's let that cool down. Let me get some stuff out of my way. All right, so I got 3 large peaches, and I'm gonna they're not real soft yet, so they're easy to peel. Has it been hot where everybody's at? I know it's been pretty warm here. I'm looking forward to couple days. I get to leave and I'm going to Maggie Valley. I'm really looking forward to that. All right, let me get these done. Let me cut this one. All right, so see, they say it works. It don't work for me. I get some peaches in my jars. They are tasty peaches. Damn, I might have to eat a couple little pieces. I had me a napkin here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla into the syrup. All right. Eat a piece of peach. All right. And basically, I just want to put a little bit of this in each jar. I'm going to try to divide it up the best I can. All right, and then we're just going to take your favorite bourbon, whiskey, whatever you like, and we're going to top each jar off. All right. Okay, I just need a little bit more. I just want to make sure the peaches are covered. They will shrink some. Then we're going to put a lid on it. Just shake it a little bit, get it mixed up. Okay. There is our whiskey peaches. Like I said, you got 2 choices. You can either save that for, like, say, a peach old fashioned. Oh, that'd be so damn good. And have that as a garnish on a peach old fashioned. That would be fantastic. Or there's plenty of peach drinks out there. You could use it as a garnish. Or my thing is put them in the refrigerator, let them get good and cold, and then just enjoy them right out of the jar. I think they would be fantastic. Okay, so that is our whiskey peaches. They look fantastic, don't they? Look good? Okay. Well, I guess that's the last thing I got to say. Or I think the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing, everybody. All right, thanks a lot. Ah, that looks good. Yeah.